Hey everyone, my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to remove shortcut arrows in Windows. For this, we need to go into the registry editor. Let's open up the registry. Here we need to navigate to computer HK underscore local underscore machine software, then find Microsoft and Windows. Next, go to current version, and then open Explorer. Here we need to create a new folder called Shell Icons. Press enter. Next, in this folder, we create a string value. Let's just name it 29. Open it and type this %windir \backslash system32 backslash shell32.dol -50. Press OK, close the registry editor. As you can see, the arrows are still there because the File Explorer hasn't refreshed. To refresh it, right-click on Start, open Task Manager, and find File Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. And just like that, the arrows are gone. That's all for now. Sampleville. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.